Hello students, I am Prasanna, your SST teacher. Then the previous class we studied about the principles and characters of democracy. So today we study about the democracy and equality. So, in India, then India is a democratic country. So the government is always answerable or accountable to the people. Then next equality. What is democracy and equality? What is meaning? The equality is a key element of our democracy that also influence all functions of functions and aspects of the government. Then in our country, every citizen, next point, equal rights to vote. So equal rights to vote in our country, every citizen above 18 years has right to vote. How many years में हम लोग की वोटिंग कर सकते हैं? 18 years has to right to vote. This is called universal adult franchise. उसकी क्या बोलते हैं? Universal adult franchise. Then there is no, so in this system there is no discrimination between caste, creed, or rich and the poor, religion, etc. Then next, dimensions of equality. This is the story of one of the story about this inequalities or in our society. Next, that is like as the same the story of childhood of Dr. Ambedkar. So next point, the dimensions of equality. Then that also divided into for 3 parts: this political inequality, then economic equality, and social equality. The first point, the political equality. According to constitution, all people living in the country have equal rights. Then there will be no discrimination between the basis of caste, creed, religions, etc. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अकॉर्डिंग टू क्या ऑल पीपल लिविंग इन द कंट्री इक्वल राइट्स है. ऑल पीपल की इक्वल राइट्स है. देयर इज़ नो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन क्या कास्ट है, क्रीड है और सेक्स एक्सेट्रा. सो नेक्स्ट द सोशल इक्वालिटी. this next economic equality. Next point, economic equality. Our constitution guarantees guarantees equal to the people. So always the हमारा constitution always guarantee the equal rights to the people. Then the government has tried to implement economic equality in 2 ways. Government economic equality functioning करने के लिए, implement करने के लिए 2 ways में वो लोग गवर्नमेंट इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. सर क्या क्या है 2 ways आप देख लीजिए. देन 2 ways आर थ्रू द लॉस की अकॉर्डिंग टू, देन थ्रू द वेरियस गवर्नमेंटल वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम्स एंड स्कीम्स वगैरह. वन सच वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम आप लोग की पता है से मिड डे मील स्कीम्स है. देन फर्स्ट दिस स्कीम इज इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन तमिलनाडु. Then what is the main objective of this scheme? That is main objective that also provide food to undernourished children. चिल्ड्रन की फूड वगैरह प्रोवाइड करते हैं. आप देख लीजिए अभी हमारा गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के अंदर मिड डे मील्स वगैरह बच्चे की प्रोवाइड करते हैं, न्यूट्रिशन फूड्स वगैरह प्रोवाइड करते हैं. that scheme है. So then midday meal scheme first that also implemented in Tamil Nadu. Then 2000, I think 2001. Then next point, social equality. Then social equality is most important one apart from the governmental provisions. Government provisions के अलावा is a very important social equality. That is a duty of the every citizens to join hand in making in our society better and the country more prosperous. उसकी that is a duty of our citizen. एक पर्सन की ड्यूटी है हमारा सोशल इक्वालिटी मेंटेन करना है. देन नेक्स्ट, देन issues of this next one, this के बारे में civil rights movement in America. Then next challenges facing in democracy. Next point, there are some one of the long answer. So then Indian society includes such as caste system, poverty, illiteracy, etc. These features are the experts from the Article 15 Indian Constitution के अंदर explain कर चुका है. Then the prohibition to discrimination on ground religion, caste, creed, etc. They are then the first point, the state shall not discriminate against the citizen on ground only the religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, any of them. So no citizen shall on the ground on religion, race. सेम तरह से हम लोग की किसी को भी बारे में हम लोग की अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कास्ट क्रेड के बारे में डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर सकते नहीं हैं. दिस एक्सेस ऑफ हम लोग पीपल यूज़ करते हैं शॉप्स वगैरह, पब्लिक रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह, इसके अंदर कुछ भी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस कर सकते नहीं हैं. Then the most important then is the use of the wells, tanks, etc. That also public property है. That property is also maintained by the state fund use करके maintain करते हैं. This property is not हम लोग की बोल सकते हैं that is हम restriction कुछ भी नहीं है ये use करने के लिए. That also is dedicated to the use of the general public. So, next point. Next point. Then challenges, contemporary challenges of democracy. So उसकी contemporary challenges of the democracy देखने से, but several kinds of discrimination still exist in our country. So nowadays also this type of discrimination going on in our country and other countries also. This in America, example America, that is the two peoples, the white people and black people के the discrimination वगैरह भी चल रही है. But even today people have their misgiving about the democracy in India. So because of क्या अब देखना है the contemporary challenges के अंदर the economic illiteracy. First illiteracy है. Illiteracy in India, so how many according to the 2011 census के according to, then 74.04% people are educated. Then educated, so the most of the आप लोग की पता है, so that is most of the people are illiterate. Most of the people are illiterate in India. So that is the illiteracy is a wide serious problem in our democracy. Next point, economic inequality. Then so economic inequality according to the Tendulkar committee report की according to how many 37% people are living below the poverty line. Then अभी ये टेंडुलकर कमेटी की रिपोर्ट के अकॉर्डिंग टू 37 पीपल अभी भी बिलो पॉवर्टी में लिविंग करते हैं. देन सो दैट्स वाई दे ऑलवेज क्या होते हैं बेटा, द rich are always getting they were rich, then poor are getting poorer. That is the most problem in our India. Then next, social inequality. Next point, social inequality. Social inequalities, people are that even now this discriminates in India on the basis of caste, color, race, etc. on the common place. I already said this even now also in America and in our India also, there's a lot very rural areas, अभी भी वो this type of discrimination वगैरह अभी भी चल रही है. Then that is the main problem in our democracy. Next, the political inequality. So next point, political inequality. That is main important problem. But is क्या the inequality is very necessary to enable citizens to development themselves. Then political stability, that is important one to necessary the enable citizens to development themselves in our country. But the affairs of the state, but even they develop in our country, so the political inequalities वगैरह is the main problem in our country. Next point, communalism. This very serious one into threaten the democracy. Last point, lack of political stability. Okay, political stability, the last few years अब देखिए having lack of political stability both in state as well as at the center. सेंटर में भी लैक कम ही है political stability. से वन एग्जाम्पल है during the year 1996 or 97, then the three governments were formed at the center. That also हम लोग की economic loss हो जाते हैं. three governments center में form हो गया. Then that is a problem for our the problem in democracy, lack of political stabilities वगैरह. So this much today enough. Completed this lesson. Then this complete one question is remaining, this last one. This what do you understand by the term the term people's democracy? Today I will tomorrow I will give this answer through the WhatsApp. So okay students, please learn this question answer very much. So this is very this explanation or this class limitation है हम लोग की पढ़ाई करने टीचिंग करने के लिए. So please any doubt है please contact me in my WhatsApp number. So okay, bye.